Srila Prabhupada is saying, when the soul, that means we are souls, the Atma, the disciple, when the Shishya, the soul, cries out for spiritual guidance, the Lord, as the Chaitya Guru, or the spiritual master in the heart, gives direct inspiration. So each one of us can have darshan of our Guru in our hearts. Each one of us can hear our Guru speaking directly and specifically and individually to us in our hearts. When we develop Guru Rag, Guru attachment, and come to the level of Raganuga Bhakti. When one comes to the level of Bhava, he has so much bhav and sentiments for his Guru that when he's chanting his Guru Mantra and Guru Gayatri, and he's meditating on the spiritual form of his Guru, because this is the meaning of the Guru Gayatri. He's meditating on the spiritual form of his Guru, and then Guru Mantra, he's meditating on his Guru's sadhaka group, the Guru's form when he's in this world. He's meditating and chanting the Guru Mantra. He will see at the level of Bhava, he'll have a sporti. Sporti means a very deep experience, a vision. A vision. It seems so real that you can reach out and touch your Guru. Prabhupada, you're here. Sutama, Guru Maharaj. That's called sporti. It's such, you're so deeply absorbed in your Guru that he manifests. That's called spurti at the level of bhav. Then at the level of bhav and praying, there's something called sakshat darshan, where one gets direct darshan of either Guru or Krishna. This is the experience of the advanced devotee.